Katatapos lang ang filing ng candidacy for barangay and SK elections, and now is the time to file appropriate inclusion and exclusion proceedings in the municipal trial court appealable to the regional trial court. Yung exclusion proceedings, pag ang suspetsya mo ay flying voter, yung isang tao na nakaregister sa barangay, no? For example, yung isang bahay ang nakarehistro 200 na tao, that is physically impossible and improbable. Whoever may, whether it's the election officer, whether it's the police, whether it's the barangay or candidates for that position, can file an exclusion proceeding para maalis sila sa voters list. Yun naman inclusion proceeding, after verifying yung voters list, nakita mong wala kang pangalan pero dati ka naman bumoboto sa isang barangay, then now is the time to file a petition for inclusion. At ito rin yung dun din sa municipal trial court. And of course, ito yung linilinisan yung proseso ng eleksyon sa ating bansa. And of course, yung petition for inclusion or exclusion, dapat i-notify yung Board of Election Inspectors, yung COMELEC, at yung mga flying voters. If ikayo ay na-exclude sa isang barangay, ang COMELEC ay pwedeng magdemanda sa inyo ng criminal case for violation of the Omnibus Election Law. At ang penalty dito ay 6 years imprisonment without probation under Republic Act 8189. No? At there is a case, Nardo M. Velasco versus Commission on Elections, na yung mga flying voters were being arrested on the spot doon sa polling place by virtue of a warrant of arrest for violation of Section 261, Paragraph Y-2 of the Omnibus Election Law.